Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager at CorkSport Mazda Performance. I'm happy to announce a performance part for your 2019 and newer Mazda 3 and CX-30 that provides improved protection in every driving situation. I present to you the CorkSport Aluminum Skid Plate. From the factory, Mazda uses a thin plastic splash guard under the engine to provide some level of protection to the engine and drivetrain. However, the splash guard is mainly there under your Mazda to provide smooth airflow under the car for efficiency reasons. Many times, we've seen this flimsy OEM undertray ripped off on the track or on lowered cars. One big bump or debris and it gets ripped right off. That's why CorkSport has developed robust replacement skid plates for years, from the first generation Mazda 3 up to the current 4th generation. The CorkSport skid plates are proven tough in the most extreme conditions on the street, at the track, or even off-road. Every skid plate is CAD designed to fit like OEM, retaining the easy access locations for the oil drain and the filter replacement. The material used is thick 90 thousandths aluminum sheet that is laser cut and CNC formed, and it's lightweight, won't rust, and it can really take a hit. Specifically with the 4th generation Mazda 3 and the new CX-30, the CorkSport skid plate works with all models and trims. So that covers the front wheel drive, all-wheel drive, the turbo and non-turbo models, retaining the cooling fin for the all-wheel drive transfer case as well. Provide yourself with ease of mind that your Mazda is getting the protection it deserves with the CorkSport skid plate. So thanks for checking out our newest CorkSport release for the 4th generation Mazda. Contact our CS team for any questions, we'd love to help. This is Barrett, tuning out.